I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a master bedroom deep clean. So we are going into my master bedroom and we are going to be doing some serious deep cleaning in here. I needed to do some dusting, some carpet cleaning, clean all of the windows, clean the vents and the shelves, and just kind of tackle this room. We are only doing this room today so I can focus on everything and not have to worry about hurry up and cleaning another room and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it brings you some deep clean motivation.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened.
To start off, I am using the Method Wood Cleaner and I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the end tables, and then I'm using the Method Glass Cleaner to go ahead and clean the windows and the mirror here in the bedroom.
With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, or show me what you can do. Make a move.
I have a love-hate relationship with having a door in our bedroom. I don't like it at nighttime, but I like it during the day, especially if we were hanging outside on the deck. I can just go inside if I need to use the restroom or something very quickly, so it is convenient with that, but it does scare me sometimes at nighttime. This was something I needed to do for a really long time, and as I was doing this, the dust, it just came pouring down, so I decided to go ahead and get the vacuum. I put it on a towel on top of our bed, and then I went ahead and just kind of sucked up all of the dust here on this window. I absolutely love this window. It's one of my favorite features of our bedroom.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, or show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same.
I think our master bedroom is probably my favorite room in our entire house. Let me know down below if you guys have a favorite room and what it is. I think the second one would be our little dining room. I just love how that area looks, but my bedroom is definitely my favorite room.
We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure.
I am using the same method glass cleaner to go ahead and wipe down the mirror, and I used paper towels for this instead of a rag, but I also wanted to go ahead random, but I wanted to mention that Thursday I will have my first 2020 fall decor haul for you guys. So if you guys are into fall and you like decorating, and if you are looking for some inspiration before you go ahead and go out and buy some decor, my video will be out Thursday, so make sure you are subscribed and you hit that bell notification so you can go ahead and watch that video. I've mentioned this before, my husband has bad allergies to our 2 German Shepherds, and they sleep here in our bedroom with us. So every single day I go ahead and vacuum the bottom of the bed because our girl dog sleeps here and then our male sleeps on the bed over there. But I'm just going to go ahead and give this a really nice vacuum. I even vacuumed I think it's called the box spring. Yeah, I even vacuumed that as well. So I tried to get up every single little dog hair that I could see here on the bed.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Told you so.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum off the dog bed. I absolutely love this dog bed because of how easily the dog hair comes off of it. You don't have to like sit there and try to get the vacuum into the bed to pick up those hairs. It comes off very, very nicely. I got this bed off of Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys in case you are on the lookout for a new dog bed. I believe it was fairly reasonably priced as well. So I will try and link that for you guys if I can find it. But next, I'm going to go ahead and finish vacuuming up the room.
I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
If my husband was home while I was doing this cleaning video, I would have had him help me pull the bed back so that I could vacuum underneath of it, because I know that that probably needs done really bad. So I'm going to have him help me later. But when I was dusting up on that window, which I have done before, a lot of it was like the trimming, the little white dust from the trimming. If you ever built a house before, you probably know what I'm talking about. We've almost been in this house for 2 years and I'm still finding some of that stuff here and there throughout the home, which is absolutely crazy. I feel like well, I know that once you build your house over time, it shifts and it moves, so it probably knocks some things and the dusting falls off, but 2 years later and I'm still vacuuming up some dusting from that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and clean off this vent. We clean off the inside about once every 2 weeks, so I didn't need to go ahead and do that today.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this.
The last part to this master bedroom deep clean is going to be doing some carpet cleaning around the bedroom. It wasn't too bad. There wasn't like a ton of spots. I think 90% of it is from our dogs, but also I think my husband wears those black socks and the black fuzzies, like you just saw him walk by, but the black fuzzies, I feel like they fall off of them and then somehow they get meshed into the carpet where I'm not able to pull them out with my fingers. So I have to bust this thing out, which it's not a lot of work to take this thing out. I absolutely love this spot carpet cleaner because it is very easy to pull out and just hurry up and clean up a spot. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what is around my carpet here in my bedroom.
To prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye.
If you notice that I kept turning the carpet cleaner off and staring for a second, that's because my little one was napping and I thought I kept hearing her cry, which she was not crying, but I mentioned that in one of my videos before and a lot of moms could relate. You feel like you hear them crying or something when you're vacuuming or doing any kind of loud work. So that's what I was doing, but that is going to be it for today's deep clean bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I hope it brought you some cleaning motivation, and I will see you guys all Thursday in my next video. Bye guys.